Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. Sorry that I updated you today that Kaizer Chiefs are chasing a defensive midfielder. Amakos are hoping to sign in Nigeria Fenric Ikena before the PSL transfer deadline closes on 22 September. The 21-year-old is on a loan at FC Krybasa in Ukraine from Belgrade Vereska Sofia. The former Nigeria youth international, who stands at 1.83 meters, can also play a centre-back. However, has been compared to Tinisha Ningomashe and his style of play. This given 9-9 will keep you updated with Kaizer Junior pursuit of the player who could occupy the last foreigner spots left at Kaizer Chiefs. Nape has identified the player to give the likes of Mthethwa competition. Remember to follow me. So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please write your thoughts on the comment section.